Sushant Singh Rajput over the past few weeks, the facade of Bollywood has begun to fall apart. The impunity with which it has functioned, the key players, the dark honchos, the controllers, the secrets, the cabal, the deep, dark, and most importantly, not just dark, the dirty secrets of Bollywood are being spilt out. And they are by no means limited to the case of a star like Sushant Singh Rajput. Beyond the smokescreen of glitter, glitz and glamour, there is a more devious and dark side, a criminal side that is shushed and hushed by all means and quarters necessary. Bollywood has always wanted a burial of its own scams, whether it is their cozy friendship with the underworld dons, or the continued and relentless sexual exploitation of talented young girls and boys with their casting couches, or the hounding of outsiders by one very influential cabal. The secrets are known, the crimes are coming out, but now the people of India have started saying together that Bollywood must answer, and hashtag Bollywood dark secrets must come out. My dear viewers, Bollywood has always worked in a well-oiled nexus with a section of a friendly media to derail and kill any questions that arise. On the mysterious death of Jia Khan, to the mysterious death of Divya Bharti, to the controversies around the mysterious death of Sri Devi, and now the death, most mysteriously and suspiciously, of Sushant Singh Rajput. Viewers, they think they can control everything, now they can't. The underbelly of Bollywood's dark secrets, a world of drugs, narcotics, and skin-crawling crime have started coming to light. The humiliation of rigged award functions, of friendly media, the humiliation of fresh talents is shirked off in a conspiracy of silence. This is the dirtiest industry in the country. The traditions of surname scripting destiny is dismissed as deserved entitlement. The pattern of crimes within has been airbrushed for far too long. And all this is done consciously to build a brand which is today no longer a brand worth mentioning, a dirty word called Bollywood. Brand Bollywood is made up of three ingredients, ladies and gentlemen. Ingredient one, a cozy section of insiders who crack deals with those in the mafia. Ingredient two, a system in place to kick back, to curb free-thinking talent that challenges the status quo. And finally, ingredient three, a vulturous PR machinery at the beck and call of the insecure Bollywood lobby, hungry to appease them with blind articles, planted pieces, fake narratives, sold media. But what we are seeing now is the death of brand Bollywood. This Sunday debate, every dirty little secret under the carpet will be pulled out by me. Every carefully hidden connection will be dusted back to relevance. And no nexus can stop my questions anymore on Sushant and beyond, because this Sunday Bollywood must answer. And as I ask these questions with every Indian this Sunday, I want the award Wapsi gang to question their own silence. I want the cabal to look within, and I want them to have the courage to look back at us and respond to our questions.
No, I won't. Arnab, I have to say one thing. It is not about siding Bollywood or taking, favoring Bollywood or favoring the film industry or the big names there. It's not about who the fingers are being pointed out. My problem has always been with who's pointing the fingers, who's doing the finger pointing. Because you see, there are a whole lot of people who are unrelated to Sushant Singh, and it's just become very fashionable to just jump into the fray and put a hashtag Sushant Singh Rajput, justice for Sushant. But telling your story of struggle and humiliation does not have to be tagged with Sushant, because Sushant was a different person. And I would like to give credence Not
Why does it make them feel guilty? Does it make people feel guilty?
But, no, 1 minute.
Does it make Rajiv Masand feel guilty?
Let me finish.
Does it make Karan Johar feel guilty?
No.
Does it make Aditya Chopra feel guilty? All the people who you will not name. All the people who you, does it make Mahesh Bhatt feel guilty? All the people you will not name. You will not name them. You will not name them, Bharti, I know.
I will give credence to Sushant Singh's family. I will give credence to Ankita Lokhande. I will give credence to Sushant's family. I will not give credence to people who just get up, who have nothing to do with it, and keep putting these hashtags. That's what I'm trying to say. Let somebody with credible information come forward. We'd like to listen to them. Yesterday I heard Ankita, and I think she made a lot of sense to me. She made a lot of sense to me. A lot of the things that his parents said, his father said, yeah, they make a little bit of sense to me. But not people who are totally unrelated. Those are the people I question. It's not about who you're pointing fingers at. It's who's pointing the fingers at that I have a problem.
Okay, Bharti, thank you for opening remarks. I just want to add one thing out here. In the debate today, the debate is on Bollywood dark secrets. My personal view is that Sushant, what happened to him is a manifestation of the dark secrets of Bollywood. And I believe that what is happening is that people who have very vested interest with Bollywood do not want this to go beyond Sushant. They'd like to limit it to one financial transaction with Riya. They don't want to look within. Therefore, I want to crack it open.
No.
I'm going to crack it open, and on the other side right now, Anand Mahadevan is on the debate. Anand Mahadevan wanted to open.
The family itself is saying...
Andrea, let's hear Anand. We have an open debate after that. Yeah.
Bollywood, what's...
Andrea, we have an open debate after that. Yeah. Anand.
Yeah. Look, the Sushant Singh tragedy is only a subset of what is the dark side of the self-anointed brand called Bollywood. I don't understand the word Bollywood in the first place. And if they feel proud about having taken this name, then God help them. Like Arnab, you very correctly summarized in the beginning, there are three sections to this. There are the underhand dealings with the underworld. There is the Me Too movement that exposed a lot of illegal activities or rather dirty activities. And finally, the mysterious pressures that come on to you and the actual seclusion and the total ban of independent, whether they are producers or directors or new talent, who are not allowed to come near this cabal and who are not allowed to even get a foothold into the industry. It's a pity that because this should have been an artistic playground.
Yesterday
what has
Ankita
become an artist? Excuse me, let me finish. Please let me finish. I am not talking about the Sushant Singh case in particular. I am talking about the whole picture. What has happened here is that the Sushant Singh tragedy has thrown open this whole thing and has forced everyone to look deeper into this entire thing. This has been going on for years now. I've been here for 40 years and I have not been complaining. I have been putting up with a lot of pressure.
I've been here even longer.
Yes,
and I know how
I know, Bharti. You and me have been here for donkey's years. We know that. And you have seen it all.
You and I have been around for a long time. You know how this works.
You've seen all these.
Your Shekhar Gupta has exposed the. Your Shekhar Gupta has talked about the awards functions. Yes, absolutely. There must be bullying. There must be ganging up. There must be boycotting. I'm not denying any of it.
The dirtiest industry in this country, viewers. The dirtiest industry in this country.
Bollywood is the manifestation.
The dirtiest industry in this country.
Arnabji, Bollywood is the
dirtiest industry in this country.
Indian art and popular culture.
In its present form.
It's very sad you are demonizing Bollywood. Bollywood is the manifestation of the Indian art and popular culture. There may be medical mafia and drug mafia. That doesn't make all the doctors bad. There may be a drug mafia in the medical field.
This is also a conversation
all hospitals bad? Does that make all doctors bad? There may be a few rotten apples
allow the other side to
speak. There may be a few
We heard
rotten
Bharti
apples.
speak throughout.
But does that mean all the others are bad in the industry?
Rahulji.
Bollywood is a home.
Rahulji, I have a lot of respect for you. Can you please allow the others to speak as well?
Give me one line. And what is Bollywood? Bollywood is the manifestation of
Stop
Indian
reading from
art
a
and
paper,
popular
Rahul.
culture.
I heard you that Bollywood is a manifestation of whatever popular culture. But there is a revolt against popular culture which is happening, Rahul. And please understand, Arnab, when
Youngsters in this country are rejecting this form of Bollywood.
Bharti began by speaking and making an argument of
Rahul, 1 minute. Rahul, one at a time, please.
on the message.
Rahul, 1 minute at a time, please. Rahul, I request you. I request you, Rahul. I request you.
Like that.
I'm requesting you, right?
Arnab, if I have to debate on the merit and demerit of Bollywood and what it represents, I'm a literature student. I would prefer doing it at JLF. All right, that fake, phony literature festival. I'm not going to discuss what Bollywood represents. For me, Sushant Singh's Rajput case is a metaphor for millions of dreams of youngsters, which has been killed and killed systematically. When Bharti began her remarks, she began by saying, let us look at who is pointing fingers at Bollywood. Ma'am, instead of shooting the messenger, if you just looked at the message, you would have gotten why people like us are
Bharti.
agitating. And Arnab, I would want to correct you a little bit. I'm not only, raising this campaign on social media.
Bharti on
I'm
the
also
right,
doing a lot of
Survival
activities on
stories.
ground,
This-
being in touch with activists. Hold on, Bharti.
They're just
you said
people are
nobody
tagging
else.
their stories
you
of struggle
said
to
nobody
Sushant.
else
But
than the
Sushant was
family
a
or
different
Ankita
person. Ask
Lokhande has
Ankita
a locus
Lokhande.
standi
He
on
was a
this.
different kind
Let
of
me tell
person.
you that as
These things
public
didn't matter to
professionals,
Sushant.
as
And
actors,
everybody's
Bharti, allow
making
me to
him out to be a
speak.
victim.
Do not
He
get
was a
dragged
victor
loose. I'm making a
because he
logical
came
point.
out
Do
of
not
it. He
use
was
your
able
nerve.
to
Let
fight
me
it.
make a point, Bharti.
He did very
You
well
are
in the
a
film
public
industry.
professional. An actor
He was a
belongs
success.
as much
He was
to
a
the
success
viewers
story.
as to the
Sushant
Kamal he
Singh
comes
was a
from.
success story. Why are you
Therefore,
taking that away from him?
It has to be understood and understood with a lot of grace. That if there are fans, if there are youngsters motivated by Sushant who are agitating, you have to
Louder.
give their voice credence. You also mentioned a third point which offended somebody like me. You said, I would give a little bit of credence to Sushant Kapoor's father. Why? How are you related to Sushant Singh
Well
Rajput?
said.
Of course, Sushant Singh.
How are you related to Sushant Singh Rajput that you,
No, 1 minute.
sitting
I
on this
have
chair,
if you have the
donned
right to
this
comment, I
tiara
have the right
and
to
gave a
comment. I
certificate
also.
that you would like
I'm
to
saying
believe
I
in
would
his father
rather
a little
listen.
bit.
I would
I'm
rather
sorry,
listen
Bharti,
to Sushant
I'm
Singh's
not yet
father.
done.
I
I'm
would
not
rather
yet
listen to
done.
Sushant Singh's father.
am not
I would
yet
rather listen to
done.
Sushant Singh's
Also,
father and to
when one is
Ankita
talking
Lokhande
about Ankita
than to people
Lokhande,
unrelated
Arnab,
to
I
them.
raised it a
That's
couple
what
of days
point I'm
ago
trying
and
to
I
make.
raised it again.
I would like to
And I
give
raised
them
it again.
more credence and I would
That why
give
is
more
Riya
credence to
Chakrabarti
Sushant
running
Singh's
away
father
from a
and to Ankita
conversation, a
than I would
national
give to
public
somebody
conversation?
unrelated to them.
Why
Can't you
is
get the
she
point I'm
sending
making and
paid
what is so
stooges
offensive about
to
it?
recommend her
What is
or to,
offensive about my
endorse
saying that
her
I
Subhrasha.
would give
to defend
credence
her?
to
I'm
Sushant's
sure
father
Ishkaran
and
is
to
sitting here
Ankita?
is going
I
into
will
the
not
legal
listen to
details
people
of the
unrelated
case.
to him.
Please,
What's
Bharti,
wrong with
stop
that?
behaving
What is
like an
offensive
old
about
drone.
what I said?
Listen
You
to
mean
what
Calm
is
down.
being
Sushant
said.
Singh's father? Yeah.
What are you saying? Sushant Singh's father
you
gave
listen
her
to what I'm
FIR.
saying. You're finding you're finding it offensive.
He complained to the
Sushant
Mumbai
Singh's
police,
father
Bharti.
and Ankita
I think
Lokhande
you are
have
not
more-
yet apprised of the case.
They know him.
The
They
Mumbai
knew him
police
better.
failed to take
They knew
cognizance
him
of his
better.
complaint. He complained
What
in
is-
Patna, got an
what did
FIR
you find
lodged.
offensive
Your
about
Mumbai
what I
police is
said?
not even
Why did
cooperating
you
with the
find it
Patna
offensive?
police.
Why do
What
you
are
find
you
it
talking?
offensive if I give
I
Sushant
did
Singh's
find it
father
offensive
credence?
and I'm telling you a reason
Why do you find it?
Because the way Sushant
Why?
was isolated in
Because
Bollywood,
I would much
you
rather
are
listen to Sushant
isolating
Singh's father
Sushant's
and to
case
Ankita
today also.
than-
You asked me a question. Now can I come in?
Yeah, these four on the
Arnab,
screen.
I did not interrupt anybody for 40 minutes, so I hope nobody will interrupt me. I just want 2 minutes.
Focus.
Firstly, since it's a debate on Sushant Singh Rajput, let's know the fact
Audio.
that they're opposing hashtags and public speaking because Bollywood is a black hole. Sushant Singh Rajput would have described perfectly why is it a black hole, because they do not want even light to escape from it. They do not want any facts to come into it. They want it to be a no investigation zone. No matter what happens in Bollywood,
Absolutely.
Mumbai police has made it a no investigation zone. That is the problem. In 45 plus days, they could not even register an FIR. It is the no investigation zone on which the public
You don't need
agitated,
an FIR.
and now
For
they
an
want
ADR,
to
you
shut
don't
down
need
the
an FIR.
voice
Please
of
understand
public
what the law
because
says.
it will expose all the rotten things which
Registration
are
of an
going on
ADR
in this
and
black
commencement of
hole.
investigation
And
is due process
two
of
things,
law.
you had your say. Now let me have my say, because the people have been wanting to have their say in this for a long time.
Definitely going to
Till the
interrupt.
time.
You don't require
Arnab, till the
you
time.
don't require an
till
FIR
the
in a
time
when there is
Mumbai
no
police
crime which has been
and they're talking
identified
about
as an abettor of
postmortems
the
and all.
offence.
Let us talk about it. Let us talk about the postmortem also. Let us talk technical also if they want to. But first thing, in 15 minutes, why did the news come out? It was a case of suicide. It did not come out a mysterious death. It did not come out a alleged suicide. You just came day one dispensing clean chits as if Mumbai police was the defense counsel for some powerful person. Why did we have a clean sheet in the first 15 minutes? Why did we not have an investigation? And if we have 15 crores going from account of one person within 1 year, that did not require an investigation. as per them.
Geeta is countering. Geeta after him.
When, no, we need answers to all these questions. And now,
sorry, the investigation has to begin when the ADR is registered. And after the ADR investigation has started, you don't require an FIR in this
Home
case.
Minister coming and saying, कुछ भी हो जाए, CBI नहीं होगी, कुछ भी हो जाए, CBI नहीं होगी. If your investigation is so good, why are you so scared of a CBI investigation? ED has registered a case now. Central Agency is investigating this. Why do you want this black hole to be supervised by Mumbai police as the light outside it so that no other light can escape from it? That is the problem with Bollywood. It has become a vertical black hole.
Because according to the Mumbai police, Bollywood has never done any wrong. Don't you know? Ishkaran, Bollywood never does anything wrong. Jia Khan killed herself. Divya Bharti died because she killed herself. Sridevi suddenly died. All of them suddenly died.